How many dreads do you have on that fat ass head of yours? Let's find out. Back, y'all, to another dread video by your boy Flaw on the come up. You know what I'm saying? We on the come up. Goddamn, but today I know y'all been missing the dread videos and shit. I've been putting up these vlogs and shit. Y'all actually have been viewing them. Like I gotta thank y'all. Thank you so much for, you know what I'm saying, viewing them vlogs. A lot of them was boring. Well, not a lot of them, but some of them was a little boring. Goddamn, so I ain't really think, you know what I'm saying, it would get any views okay. But even the ones that didn't get that many views, like the views was still there. Like y'all was, you know what I'm saying, I could tell y'all actually are trying to like watch every video I drop, bro. And look, y'all just don't know how much a nigga appreciate that shit. Like I really appreciate it, cause it's like I know some of these vlogs don't be that entertaining, bro. Like I really, and my editing ain't there yet, but trust me, like I'm gonna get there. Like I ain't even been trying, but lately I've been trying a little different shit, you know, every now and then. But I'm really finna be fine with this editing shit very soon. Goddamn, just give me a minute. I ain't even been trying. I just been trying to get this shit out, cause you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to get the algorithm to notice your boy. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm trying to grow. My goal, y'all really wanna know what my goal is, bro? I should make this a separate video, but y'all really wanna know what my goal is? If you got time, if you don't, I would say skip, but don't skip. But my goal is to goddamn get to 100K subscribers before the end of the year. And I know that's a lot, and I know y'all like, what the fuck? Like larger goal, but look, trust me, like if I actually, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm a naturally lazy individual when it come to like overachieving, like, but I'm a perfectionist at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like I know I can do great, like super duper extraordinary shit, but it's like I'd rather settle for like the normal shit. So it's like, you know, but I'm trying to get rid of that and actually just do something extraordinary for once instead of settling for the little shit, you know. But anyway, I know y'all can't hear to figure out how many dreads I got on my head, right? How many dreads does a nigga have? How many dreads do I actually have, for real? I said it in my first video if you was paying attention, but you know what I'm saying, I might be wrong. And then I got new dreads under my dreads. You know what I'm saying? You see them? Y'all see them bitches? Y'all see them? Got new dreads. Now today, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not finna count my new dreads. I'm finna just count how many I got on my high top, because as you can see, I'm growing my size out. But my high top, I'm finna count them. I guess this slick really cheating, because the slick might be correct, but then again I might be wrong. But my guess is gonna be, my guess is 82. Okay, but look, I'm gonna count it again just to make sure. I'm most likely gonna be right, but like, look, this is just a video. Even y'all, you know what I'm saying, just in case niggas ask, they could have a whole video. Or for the nigga that asked, he could have a whole video. You know? Shit, let's get to it, goddamn. Should I time lapse me counting my shit? I don't know. I don't know if I should time lapse that shit. Cause you know I be saying random shit, so I guess I'm gonna talk to y'all while I do it. I'm gonna just skip through this shit though. I ain't gonna really time lapse it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, nigga do be losing track of counting like really, really fast. Like I still got a little ADHD. I ain't gonna cut. Like, now I'm not talking. No, not ADHD. ADD. The one where you're not hyper. I ain't a hyper nigga, but I do hyper focus on certain shit. You know. But yeah. Look at me getting started. Right, let's get started, bro. One. Sorry. Yeah. 6. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 8. Yeah, 9. Alright. 10. Let me make sure this shit 10. Let me make sure this shit 10 for real. 1, 2. Yeah, this 10. Damn, this shit loose as fuck at the root. This 10 though. This 10. Then it's 11. How y'all day going, by the way? You know what I'm saying? I feel like today is a good day, bro. Honestly, like today, I already like before today even started, or like not even before today even started, but when I woke up, I knew today was gonna be a good day. even before I woke up, I knew today was gonna be a good day though. Like on some real shit, like just I felt it in my spirit, my bones. Today was gonna be a good day, and today is a good day. Goddamn, what number was I on? What number was I on? Fuck. Uh. Uh. 20. 20. 20. 20. We was on 20. I think. 21. Skinny ass, bro. This is my skinniest dress. This shit. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this shit, bro. I gotta combine it or something. Fuck. Was I on 29? I think I was on 29. Yeah, look at this shit. Yeah. Fuck. What? I was on 29? I think I was on 29. 30. 31. Alright, this is 40 right here. Damn, what the fuck? Why that bitch look like it's about to break? It's 40 right here though. Bro, why the fuck that shit look like? Bro, I promise you this shit not about to break. This shit is skinny towards the root though. But that's cause it ain't low. But yeah, this 40 y'all. Alright, on to the next side. I don't got a tie for the next side, so I'm just hold this shit with my 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Yeah, I got 80? What the fuck? I thought I could have sworn I had 82. What the hell? I got 80? Well, there you have it, y'all. The nigga has 80 dreads for a hot tub. That's a lot of dreads for a hot tub. You know what I'm saying? Key, I might count it again to make sure. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna count it again. Hold up. It's 40 on each side. That's 80, y'all. I didn't think it was true. I thought I could have sworn I had 82. I guess it's really 80. But a fat ass helicopter just came by. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm sorry. Yeah, now that's 80 dreads though, y'all. Yeah, now what y'all think of my set of dreads though? And let me know if y'all think I should do a video counting all the really all of my dreads, like my high top and my little ones. These ain't even dreads yet, y'all. Really, I just be two-stranding them every now and then. I'm probably finna braid these back down and let them like sit in braids so they could grow some more. Bro, my hair has grown so much, bro. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah. But right now they just two-stranded, like laying down and shit. Cause the afro like be so big under my dreads, bro. Like I got a whole bunch of new growth. Let me know if y'all want a video on how to grow your size out fast. I got y'all, bro. I'll really hook y'all. I'm probably gonna do one anyway, but like I got y'all, bro. But yeah. I appreciate y'all for watching, like very much. And if you're new, please subscribe. I promise you my content is gonna get better. Look, get your OG ticket right now. I'm telling you, like, go ahead and get your OG ticket. So when I do blow up, you can say you was here. Cause when all the new niggas, you can't come when the new niggas come in, cause the old niggas ain't gonna respect you. Like, they ain't gonna respect you. They gonna be like, damn, look at all these new niggas. You wanna be like the new niggas? Or you wanna be like the old niggas? OG. You know what I'm saying? All my OGs get special treatment. I love all of y'all though. But I'm just saying, like, the niggas did like check me out when I was little. I'm really appreciate them more because like I ain't really had no value right now. But like once my videos keep getting better and shit, like, you know. But yeah, peace out, y'all. Love y'all.